Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a really cute and cool disco party kind of ball light. Really very cool, very small and compact. Plugs right in. You can see here, plugs right into the outlet. Does come with the remote control. So it's sound activated. You don't have to use sound. It'll go with the beat. You can do it with or without. You can use it like a DJ. It's a lighting disco ball, strobe light, home, room, dance party, birthdays, karaoke, you name it, Christmas, Halloween. I don't care what you're doing. This is going to add a lot of life and a lot of excitement to your party. It's small, it's compact. It does plug in, so no batteries required. You just plug this in to good to go. It does come with the button battery that's included inside here. And this is a very bright LED light with multiple colors. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, guys, I got some of the lights off, and we're just going to turn this on and put the power button on. You can see here, I want to show you this is what the idea of the pattern, what you're looking at on your ceiling, all over the room. You can control it with this remote control, different patterns, different structures. You can just see how awesome this looks. So you can control it. It can control it with music. So you press music 1, and I'll show you. So when you're talking, you can see it blinking. And when I stop talking, it stops. Look at this thing. Look, that is awesome. Check this out. So when the music's on, it's gonna be boom, boom, boom. You're gonna see that thing changing colors. And I'm seriously, guys, the whole room's gonna be lit up like 360, like ridiculous. Music 2, different pattern. I'll put on music 2, it's a little bit different. And then music 3 is it like a flashing. You can see that like flashing noise. You can see how it's flickering when I'm talking. So imagine the music, banging. You get the bass cranking. This thing is going nuts, man. It's crazy. I got the on-off button. You can see you can control everything really easy. I like that. Then you have the basic colors. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 different controls of colors here. You can just see that. There's 2, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can control the speed of there's a device that's actually spinning a little bit, so you can control that speed. Look at this. That is wild. This is really cool, guys. So definitely pick this up. You gotta love this. You got the flash. So if you really want to psych, you can put it on flash, which is, I don't know if I like the flash personally. I'm getting a little, shut that off. But you can get the idea behind this thing. This thing is so cool. I mean, look what's going on here, and you can just see it. I'm pushing it away. You can just see what's happening. But this is what it looked like. The whole room's going to be lit up. You're going to love this thing. This thing is going to be extremely cool for your next party. Definitely pick this up, guys. You can just see how it's working. Small, compact, and extremely powerful. So I hope you enjoy this review. Definitely, this is a fun item. It's going to give you, if you're a teenager, young adult, party at home, whatever you're doing, something like this here has got add a lot of excitement for not a lot of money, guys. This is really reasonable. So pick this up. Definitely a good value. You can see it's small, and look at the power it's putting off. It's putting off I'm serious, the whole room in my studio is all lit up. It's absolutely insane. So you definitely got, I think this is so cool. My favorite feature is when the music. So every time I'm talking, you can see that moving. That's awesome. That is crazy. I might use this in my studio when I'm doing my videos. What do you think? No, I'm just teasing. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more videos just like this. This is cool. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Definitely pick this up, guys. There's a link down below. Check out the page. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow the channel for more videos like this, so you can have fun and understand how things work. And they're just that cool, but not a lot of money and just a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day, and don't forget to follow and subscribe.